May 5th, 2019. Well, it's rained on and off most of the week and most of the previous week, and the bees been laying low with the rain and the cool weather, but I just came out here to check on them today, and they are cranking today. Full on work mode. All different kinds of pollen coming in. We'll move in and take a closer look. Just look at that activity and look at the amount of pollen resources they're bringing back. Okay. I'll back off. Had one bumping me in the face. He did not appreciate me, my close proximity. Incredible amount of pollen coming in. Of course, everything is in bloom right now with the rains and the warm weather. We have everything from a dusty yellow pollen to a brilliant fluorescent orange. So interesting to watch all the different colors of pollen that they're bringing in. And then of course the activity. Anyway, all three colonies are buzzing pretty strong. The middle one isn't quite as strong as the other two. We have lots of busy bees. Anyway, I saw all this activity and I thought I'd better grab the camera and share. Hope you find this interesting. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.